Now is the time to start your fall garden. And there's no better time to get the whole family involved than the fall harvest season. I want to give you 3 tips today on why I believe gardening as a family is going to connect you more and keep you healthier. Number 1, gardening promotes physical activity. So whether you're harvesting, planting, weeding, it's a physical activity outdoors in nature. You're promoting strength, cardiovascular strength, and flexibility. So as you're doing this as a family, it's just going to improve your overall health as a family. Number 2, nutrition and healthy eating. As you're growing your own fruits and vegetables and herbs, you're actually providing a more nutrient-dense diet for your family. Your kids are going to gain a greater appreciation for whole foods, and those younger children might even be more willing to try a variety of more foods if they help grow it themselves. Number 3, gardening has therapeutic benefits for mental and emotional health. It provides a calming and meditative experience, reducing stress and anxiety levels. And spending time in nature and watching plants grow can promote a sense of accomplishment and boost self-esteem. Gardening also encourages families to work together, which increases their bond and communication as a family. And this strengthens family relationships and creates positive memories. In addition to these 3 benefits, gardening also teaches valuable life skills such as responsibility, patience, and problem solving. Overall, gardening offers a holistic approach to family health by promoting physical activity, healthy eating, and emotional well-being, which can really foster strong family connections. Follow me for more tips on creating a strong, healthy family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel.